to you there, or thanks for tuning in. In front of me are two cylinder stabilizer for the Pafinga crane. Yes, jacks are here because they are having some problem. They were not having external leak but internal leak. One of these two cylinders is having internal leak. So I use a trick, a method which I would like to share with you guys so that together one day it can help you on what I did to carry out this pressure test. So it is just very simple and straight to the point. I use the compressed air with a little gun that I've just fabricated. As you can see, this is air coming out. So this is just what I did to come out. So you follow me and see what I did to arrive in this point, because it was quite tricky. It was quite tricky. That is the reason, because since the leakage was not external, it was internal. There was no proof to show that there is cylinder leak. So I was even suspecting that this one of these valve is not working properly, that the valve is bad. But unfortunate, after I carried out the test, I discovered that this valve is not faulty. The problem was the cylinder that is having the internal leak. I will do a little display so that you see what I am trying to talk about. Okay, right now we are using compressed air to fill air inside this cylinder from the top, and actually there is a seal in between that is separating oil from not going to the both sides. The oil downside function only on the downside to take it up, and the oil from the top side push the cylinder to carry the crane up. So right now you see air is already coming here, indicating that it is having internal leakage. See the amount of air that is coming, because we have a lot of problem to troubleshoot this. We're even suspecting one of these valves, because the valves are attaching somewhere in between that are separating oil for the both sides. Okay, here is the one that is good. You will see what we are going to do. You see it? Boom. You see the way this one is operating. There are field air there. See the way it's operating. Now from this other side, you see it is closing. It is closing because the pressure is working. This cylinder is not having any internal leakage. That's the reason you see it properly functioning the normal way it's supposed to function. Meanwhile, this is having internal leakage. Okay, the other side. This is just a little trick on how to carry out pressure tests on hydraulic cylinders if you come across such a problem. Thanks for watching. Actually, this is a crane, and this is where the stabilizer cylinder is being mounted on this crane. This is the other side.